$13,296 was made in profit by one of our PIP copy trader who copies our trade regularly. And this is his account status. Today he was able to make $528 profit, and yesterday he was able to make $1,056 in profit. 6 trades were made, and today we made 3 trades, and in all time, if you see, the total profit is $13,296. So if you notice one thing, we only make $200 per trade in each trade. So if you want to copy $200 per trade, then you can copy as 100%. If you just want to copy $2 per trade, then you can copy 1% of $200. So that means you will be making $2 per trade whenever we make $200 per trade. So I will explain you each and everything in a simplified way so that you can understand. And if you want to copy our trade automatically in your account, then there is a link for Telegram in the description of this video or in the first comment of this YouTube video. You can just go on it and click on it, and you can join our free Telegram channel, and you can read the instruction there on how you can start to copy our trade automatically in your account. So now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic, that is about pocket option copy trading and how you can do it in an easy way, not a complicated way. And make sure to like this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family who needs this video. So first thing you need to do is just log into your pocket option account. So you'll see some interface like this, and you just click on this social trading. Now just click on here and click on search. Now you'll see something like this. It says enter user ID. So what happens when you join our free Telegram channel, then you will get some instructions that you need to follow, and once you follow that instruction, then you will get entry into our VIP copy trading channel, Telegram channel, and there you will find this UID. You just need to copy that UID and paste in this way. So this is not my UID, but I'm just showing you it as an example so that I can make you understand how you can copy trades. So once you put that UID at here, then you will see some name appearing at here, and you can just click on this name. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now what you need to do is just click on copy, and you will see these 4 boxes. You should not touch any other of these boxes. Okay, don't make any changes in stop balance, don't make any changes in this minimum copy trade, and just leave it as it is for max copy trade. Okay, you just need to play with this copy in proportion. So if you put 100% at here, 100 at here, then that means you will be copying our $200 per trade. So as I have already told you, we only make $200 per trade in each trade. So that means if you put this 100%, then you will be copying $200 per trade. So let's say if you put 50% at here, then whenever we make $200 per trade, then in your account you will copy $100 per trade. Okay, so if you just put 1% at here, that means you will be copying $2 per trade if we make $200 per trade. Okay, it is as simple as this. Now you just do the setup. So let's say you want to copy $20 per trade, just make it 10% and then click on confirm, and you are done. Now all of our trades will be copied in your account automatically, even if you are offline. If you are working in your job and you have already done this setup and clicked on confirm, then the trades will be copied in your pocket option account automatically on a daily basis. Make sure to like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.